I still gotta figure out why it gets choppy sometimes on stream, because it doesn't happen when I'm playing by myself. It could just be because I'm a VTuber, but... Oh my god, we're gonna die. We're totally gonna fucking die. There's no way this works. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yay, flawless. Look at that. Skyrim at its best. Oh. Whoa. We can do it. We can do it. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, hey, there's a tower there. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, chat. Chat! 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 Chat up! Oh, hey, look, we did it! Perfect. I bet we're gonna turn around and there's gonna be a road. Right there. Yup. Yup, there's the road. Yay! Right. Hopefully we won't die. I feel like every time we say that, we end up dying. Ah! I didn't think that we would fall that much. I thought it would be fine. We're not dead, that's true. Okay, I know, Migo. I'm so sorry. Your mother's fucking insane. This is why you stay off the skooma.